when the stars were born. God's hand shaped the light and the sky adorned. 6 days of wonder, skies to seas. A world of beauty set the spirits free. Mountains rose and rivers rolled. Every creature played its role. Golden sun and silver moon. Universe hums a sacred tune. 7 days the tale unfolds, from chaos into worlds of gold. Golden sun and silver moon. Universe hums a sacred tune. 7 days the tale unfolds, from chaos into worlds of gold. He made it all and then he lay to rest upon that 7th day. Galaxies in harmony, life's rhythm set eternally. He watched it spin with perfect grace and left a trace on every place. Day by day his vision grew. Stars and planets, oceans too. On the 7th, peace at last. A sigh of relief from the past. 7 days the tale unfolds, from chaos into worlds of gold. Golden sun and silver moon. Universe hums a sacred tune. 7 days the tale unfolds, from chaos into worlds of gold. He made it all and then he lay to rest upon that 7th day. Galaxies in harmony, life rhythm set eternally. He watched it spin with perfect grace and left a trace on every